In the last video, we looked at the Dometic fridge. What do we have here for it? The cover. Let's take a look at what's inside here and how we can get this on the cooler. All right. All right, so this is just kind of a directions. They have all the ones in here, so it looks like it's one manual for all fridges. So you would just find the one that belongs to you and then follow the instructions there. So let's put this aside. Inside comes one bag with the cooler. So this is the top part that goes on the hinge. And then here we have each side. It looks like it opens up. Oh, it unzips. Okay. So let's go ahead and unzip this and see what's inside this. All right, so it looks like these are each ends and these are the sides. So it looks like, oh, okay, that makes sense. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna unzip here. All right. We're gonna go ahead and lay this out. Lay this out like this. Let me get something so I don't scratch the table. Before we put this on, you're gonna wanna find these vented holes right here. You need to line it up with the vents of the cooler. So this is the back side and then this would be the front side. So I'm gonna go ahead and plop that on here. Make sure we get the feet in here correctly. All right, this side's good. Excuse me. And then let's get this side. That one's good. All right, so we're all good here. Now that we got it lined up, let me put this back. We're gonna find the side with the no screen hole. So if you guys look at the sides here, this is the one with the screen. This is the one without. So this one's gonna go on here like this. So let's go ahead and unvelcro this. Slide that over here. I feel like this will help keep it in place. All right. Now we're gonna get the zipper. Is that in camera? So now we're gonna get the zipper here. Go ahead and just zip it all the way around. All right, so we got this side done. Now let's rotate this guy around. And now same thing here. I'm gonna go ahead and unvelcro this. Perfect, and then same thing, let's find the zipper here. All right, so the zipper on this one's actually connected to this face cover. So same thing, slide it on through. All right, and now the lid. So this has these little clips here that just clip onto the inside of the cooler edge. Let's go ahead and get the two top ones. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel back a little bit the insulation and you're gonna hook it on the inside. So if you peel this back a little bit, you can get in the edge, and that's what you wanna do. You wanna hook this guy in the edge there. So you see, push it and it'll just clip in, and then we'll probably have to move this up. And we'll adjust everything once we get all the pins in. Same thing for this side. All right, now let's close it and adjust everything. That's it. That's pretty much the cooler cover. Pretty straightforward install. Feels nice. Should help insulate a little bit. Let's see, what features do we have on this thing? We have some side pockets here. A good place to put the extra cables that it comes with. Looks like you have some sort of MOLLE, and this looks like it's a Velcro on and off, so you can Velcro stuff on there. And then on this side, you have another zipper pocket. All the openings line up. So in here we still have access to the USB, touchscreen. Still have access to the bottle opener on this side. Vent slips are all still opened up. And then on the back side, you still have access to ports. So honest opinion, what do I think? The install is very easy. Zippers seem kind of, I mean, they're not like YKK or anything. They just look like normal zippers. We'll see how those hold up. I don't like the way the cover goes on. It's very easy to install, but when you come up, it just kind of like shifts everything. Things fold back. These elastic bands here, I don't know how long they'll hold up. These little metal clips are kind of sharp. So I'm guessing opening, closing. Eventually this will wear down and probably break these little elastic straps. But the insulation feels solid. I feel like it will, being in the car, it'll help insulate the fridge a little bit more. But it is, the material itself feels solid. It's just, it's really the cover on the lid that I don't like. So we'll see how it holds up. I don't know if these straps are gonna last very long. So we'll put this guy to the test, see how it holds up, but it feels very, very solid. Bye everybody, like and subscribe below. Let me know if you have any questions, drop it in the comments.